This is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a loose eyeshadow using TKB's matte texture base. Okay, first, and this is my recipe, so the first thing I want to do is I'm going to put 2 tads, and I'm going to be using my mortar and pestle here. Just makes it a lot easier when I'm making a single color and it doesn't make any noise like my grinder does. Okay, that's 1. And also too, like I do this a lot, make sure that when you put it in, that it actually empties out of the spoon, because some of these things are very compact and you won't realize that the spoon actually emptied. Okay, so that's 2 tads of TKB's matte texture base, and then I'm going to put 1 dash of Titanic silver. This is my pinch, I need my dash. Okay, this is Titanic silver. I get this from TKB Trading. Wear your mask if you can see that. A lot of the mica powders are very lightweight and you don't want to inhale them. Okay. All right, so all we have to do now is grind this together. Okay, you can see how easy that is. It just takes a couple of minutes. If I were doing this in my coffee grinder, it would just take maybe 30 seconds to do this, but this was easier today. Okay, so that is all there is to it. This is 2 tads of TKB's matte texture base and 1 dash of Titanic silver mica powder. And let's see if I can find something to show you what it looks like. But when I finish these, you can use all different kinds of containers. This is just one I chose. I get this from TKB. It has a little stopper in it, and you pop the eyeshadow in there, and then you have the little dispenser top, so it just shakes out. Okay, that's what I use. Let's see if I can get enough out to give you. And I wanted this just to be a soft silver, and that's exactly what it is. If I would have added more of the mica powder, it would have gave you a whole lot more color, because the Titanic silver is a very strong mica powder color. Okay, that was making silver eyeshadow with TKB's matte texture base and TKB's Titanic silver. And that's the end product.